Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect HubSpot to your website. First, navigate to your HubSpot account settings and find the Tracking Code section. This is usually under Reports or Tracking and Analytics. Once you locate it, simply copy the entire JavaScript snippet. Next, you'll need to access your website's backend, whether it's through a content management system like WordPress or by directly editing your site's HTML files. Now, paste the copied HubSpot tracking code just before the closing body tag, which looks like /body, on every page you want to track. For many content management systems, there's a dedicated area for header or footer scripts. If you're unsure, consult your website platform's documentation. After pasting, save your changes and then use your browser's developer tools to confirm the code is loading correctly on your site. After implementing the code, return to your HubSpot account. In the Tracking Code section, you should see a status update indicating that the code is active and connected. To generate some initial data, simply visit a few pages on your website. Then, head over to your HubSpot Analytics dashboard. You should start seeing visitor activity and page views appearing within a few minutes, confirming a successful connection. With your basic tracking in place, you can now explore more advanced HubSpot features. Consider adding HubSpot forms directly to your website to capture leads, or implement the live chat widget for real-time customer interaction. You can also seamlessly integrate marketing emails and landing pages, all while tracking their performance within HubSpot. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh and clean. This full integration helps you manage your entire customer journey efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.